In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Whisk AI in Flow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a polished AI-generated image, all inside a simple, streamlined workflow. First, open the official Whisk AI website in your browser. Make sure you're on a modern browser and you've got a stable internet connection because image generation can be a bit resource intensive. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account to continue. This just unlocks the workspace and ensures your creations can be saved. On the home screen, click Start Creating or choose the Upload option if you already have an image you want to build from. You can work in two ways here. Either upload a photo as a starting point or begin with a text prompt. If you're writing a prompt, be clear about the subject and the look you want. For example, you might try anime style portrait, cinematic movie poster, 3D cartoon character, or watercolor painting. These short phrases are great jumping off points, and you can always refine the language to match your vision. Next, pick a preferred art style or visual theme. Think of this as the creative lane you want the AI to stay in, then adjust the available settings to guide the final image. Image style controls the overall look and texture, from realistic to painterly. Lighting sets the mood, soft and dreamy, bright and crisp, or dramatic and high contrast. Creativity level determines how closely the AI sticks to your prompt versus exploring bolder interpretations. Composition influences framing and layout, helping you emphasize your subject or balance the scene. When your prompt style and settings feel right, click Generate. Whisk AI will process your request. The time it takes can vary depending on complexity, but you'll typically see a progress indicator while it works. This is a good moment to double check your prompt so you'll remember what worked well. Once the results appear, review them carefully. Look for details that match your intent: color, texture, lighting, and how the subject is framed. Small differences between variations can make a big impact, so take a moment to compare. When you find a version you love, download it to your device or save it to your workspace. Give the file a clear name so you can find it later and keep your projects organized. That's it. Open Whisk AI, sign in if asked, start creating or upload, add your prompt, choose a style, fine-tune settings, generate, review, and save your favorite image. You're ready to create stunning visuals in your flow, quickly, clearly, and confidently.